In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to stop subtitles from showing automatically in PotPlayer. It's simple fix that takes less than a minute, so let's get started. First, open the PotPlayer application on your computer. I'm going to play a sample video and that's what we are going to fix. Now go to the top menu bar and click on PotPlayer. From the drop down list, select Preferences. On the left hand sidebar, click on the Subtitle section, then open the sub menu called Language Sync Other. Here you will find a field labeled Preferred Subtitle Language. Delete anything written in that box and type off or none. Next, check the box that says Don't auto select non-preferred subtitle language. Once done, click apply and then OK to save your changes. Alright, let's test it together. Close PotPlayer and open it again. Now play a video, and as you can see, not the subtitles appear automatically anymore. From now on, you will have the full control over when subtitles show up. If you ever want subtitles again, you can enable them manually by pressing the L key on your keyboard, then choose your preferred subtitle language from the list. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.